Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will learn how to crop, flip and rotate any image or video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's start the video. Friend, first open CapCut app. First we select a video. Now select video, then click on edit option. There are three options. First rotate, second mirror and third crop. Click rotate option, the video will rotate. If you want to flip your video, so click on mirror option, the video will flip. The last is one crop. You want to crop your video, click on crop button, select an area, then click on tick. If you want more videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks.